Intuition is a powerful thing, but it will require our willingness in order to have it. To know ourselves, to know nature, to know our nervous system, that is where we will always be home. Knowing and noticing for ourselves. Paying attention to what we could never ignore. That is when we know we are in contact. That is how we know we are living as partly, at least partly, as ourselves. The presence of that inner knowing, the presence of that place that we can't ignore, the place of feeling the truth, knowing it viscerally in our nervous system, in our veins. That is the place of home, and that is the place that we are convinced is wrong. And that is the difference between the flow and the plan. That which constricts our potential out of fear and distrust. The difference between the plan, which is aka the grid, which is formed out of a distrustful relationship with ourselves, our nervous system, and the knowingness within it. That is the flow, and that is our actual self. The flow as our actual self is an inner knowingness and inner feeling that stretches throughout all creation. Not just within ourselves, it's something that we can feel within ourselves and within one another. I can seek myself in you, whoever's watching. And you can seek yourself within me. There is no separation. And it is all truth in that place.